We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. That's a lot. That's a little island. Like a little army. I'm doing a Fashion Nova try-on haul, so sit back, relax, alright? And let's get started. Let's begin.
May God be with you all.
Am I an ultimate crackhead?
Ooh, do you guys like my case? It's a plane ticket from Miami because that's where I'm from. And then there's my name. You see that? Okay, that's enough. Mental illness. Mental illness. Honestly, quarantine has really got into my head. My mantle. Okay, before we begin, do you guys need anything? Water, snacks? So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this multicolored set. Comes in this really cute crop top. It's a U-neck and this cute long pencil skirt with this tie-up detail in the middle. I think it's so cute. I love how comfortable and stretchy it is. Of course, Fashion Nova thread is a force to be reckoned with. I'm not gonna lie, if I am ever too full, I can just tie it up in the middle and it will somewhat hide my meatball body. Like, you know when you have a really good meal? A meatball. Like, straight up meatball. That's how I look like. I look like a fucking meatball. Who's gonna take care of you more than Fashion Nova? They think of everything. Who? Nobody. Fashion Nova. You wanna be in the video? This is Zoe. I'm also trying to get out of my comfort zone and experiment. Like, this ain't no science project, bitch. I am trying to branch out of my comfort zone and try out different colors because I noticed that most of my closet is a bunch of earth tones. So as you can see, I'm trying my best to expand my horizons, you know, and it's been working out to my favor because I've been finding a lot of cute colors. As long as the outfit makes you feel good, then that's all that matters. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Like, my dress up session can't get any worse.
Oh, Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
I have this really basic black tube dress. It's very pegadito, so I don't think it's that long. Like, up to here. Like, there. Basic, but you can dress them up and you can dress them down. I would pair these with my nice hoops, some waves, and some cute sandals. Pair it with like a nice jean jacket or have like a jacket tied on my waist. That's really cute. What I have with me is just a pair of grape biker shorts. They're so comfortable. They fit so nicely, and the amount of stretch that you get, and it's high-waisted, like that is just the cherry on top. So yeah, I'm just completely outgrowing my old wardrobe and growing into new fashion styles, new trends. Love these shorts. Next item. Yo, why I got a big ass forehead, man? I can't stand wearing. So next item on the list is this really cute rosy crop top. It's long sleeve, it has a little tie, and you've probably seen this top so many times on your explore page. So many influencers have it. I would pair them with some really cute shorts, jeans, or a nice skirt. A skirt. I would definitely pair this with a really cute skirt. Yeah. A white skirt is a look. That's a look. Next up, I have this really cute silky skirt. It's long, right? And what I love about this is you could dress it up and dress it down. So depending on what top you're wearing is the vibe. If I were to wear this really basic top with this skirt, I can go out, wear some sneakers or some sandals, add some jewelry, and bitch, you popping. This material is so comfortable. It's not as stretchy as the other items that I got, but it's flowy, it's breathable. It comes in this pretty animal print. I can't really identify what animal,